Bro, you want right now?
I want to sit in the back.
I mean, this is the best seat anyway. I promise you that.
I don't like sitting in the back. Sitting in the back. I really told him I wanted to.
Hello. As a reminder,
You get more airtime in the back.
and leg
I don't want more airtime.
And remain
Airtime is ass, I promise you, this ain't
with
nothing.
your restraint on.
I mean, I already done
Until
this
the
ride like
full
twice,
and
but
complete
like.
stop.
And this is my first
Thank you
time.
for riding and enjoy the rest of your day.
and on
here
this
at
ride.
FunSpot America.
The turns on this thing hurt. I'm gonna tell you that now.
Oh, it's
It's
positive.
like major whiplash. He said it's his first time getting on. I had to let him know, cause he doesn't want to be surprised when it hurts. So just be careful for those turns. They hurt a lot.
Sure thing. Dispatch. You been to Six Flags before? Up here? Yeah, I go there all the time. This is my second time here at this park.
You've never been on this ride?
Nah.
Oh.
The first time, the main attraction was Air Force One over there. Credit number 33.
Oh no.
Woo! Major airtime.
Oh shit.
It's not that bad.
No. Oh!
Oh man, you meant it. That's some projectile. Final brake run. You meant it with that. Oh man, that was pretty good.
That hurt a lot though. Amara, what's up with you? Guys. Yeah, let's go again. Yeah, I'm gonna go sit in the middle.
Okay, so that means if you want to get out, Robert can
All right. Yeah, I'm clapping too.